Hi, I'm Michael Grant. For the next few minutes, I'd like to acquaint you with an organization that for more than a decade has worked to further these principles. It is the Arizona Center for Law in the Public Interest.
Well, it was very difficult starting the center because there wasn't anything in the community like it.
This center had a very difficult time at the beginning because, as Bruce said, it was difficult to get on the map, to raise money among the lawyers, and more difficult in the community.
Over the years, the center has grown in size and scope. Because all the services are provided at no expense to the client, the only limitations that exist are based on the availability of funds. Of course, there's no shortage of worthy cases the center could take.
We filed a case on behalf of the chronically mentally ill to establish their right to community mental health services. That is a very important case because this is a group of people who really would not have access to the courts but for the work of the center.
We're looking to constantly improve people's lives through what we do, through the legal advocacy that we engage in. And we have. We've improved people's lives a lot.
ACLPI has used the courts to improve the care, resources, and facilities for mentally challenged youth and adults who might otherwise have no voice. The center has gone to court to restore public school funding at the secondary and university level. Money chipped away in budget-cutting fits that often pit partisanship and ideology against common sense and equal opportunity.
Hello, my name is Dale Ponder. I serve as the Chief of Finance and Operations for Crane Elementary School District in Yuma, Arizona. Prior to being involved with the center, our schools were overcrowded. We had a middle school that was built for 900 students and had 1,100 students attending at that time. We were using areas of the school that were not intended for classroom instruction as classrooms. Some of those were closets, some of those were vestibules, airways, those types of things that were not built as a classroom design. With the center's help, we were able to acquire the necessary resources we needed to improve our existing facilities and build new facilities to meet our growing demand.
One of the problems is that it can take years to do litigation to achieve benefits for the population. It only takes a matter of days in the state legislature to undo that sometimes. And so you've got to be proactive now to try and head those kinds of efforts off. And if need be, you've got to be ready to do it all over again.
And sadly, we do have to do it all over again. Once again, the Crane Elementary District in Yuma is a client in a case the center is bringing right now to force the state to adequately fund public education. In the last decade, the legislature has stolen more than $1 billion from Arizona's public schools. Once again, Arizona's public schools are being starved of the funds they desperately need. We cannot let this happen. The Arizona Center for Law and the Public Interest has been fighting for Arizonans for more than 40 years. And even though we are entering a new era, there is so much work left to do. We're committed to fighting these battles no matter how long they take. But we need your help, perhaps now more than ever.